Bookmarks are super useful and should make your life easier. But what happens when you get so many that you don't know where to look for your shortcut? So let me show you some tips to manage them. Some of you may actually have your bookmark bar hidden like I do right now. So first let's learn the keystroke to hide and unhide your bookmark bar. It is 3 keys. It's Control Shift B. The other way is to go to the 3 dots, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and up here to Show Bookmark Bar. And now you see your bookmarks. Next, how to make a bookmark. When you're on a page that you want to get back to easily, you're going to go up here into the Omnibox and click the star that lives at the left end of the Omnibox. You want to check the folder where this is going to, and you want to make sure that it says bookmarks bar here and not something like other bookmarks. If it says other bookmarks, it's going to end up over here and make your bookmarks really hard to find. So make sure it says bookmark bar here. Some other things are that you can edit the name to keep it smaller so it'll fit in the space where you want it to fit. So I'm just going to rename this one Light to make it a little bit smaller and click Done. Now the reason I don't see it on my bookmark bar here is because I have too many bookmarks, and so there's a waterfall feature over here and it fell over the waterfall and it's right here. But I can simply click on it, pick it up, and move it to my bookmark bar. And as you can see, I can also move any of the other bookmarks that I have previously made, so I can put them where I want them to be. Now, how to remove a bookmark that you no longer need. You're going to right click on any bookmark that you want to get rid of. On a Chromebook, that is a 2-finger click on the touchpad. And in the drop-down menu, you will see the word delete, and clicking it will, boop, make that bookmark disappear. Now, if you've gotten yourself into the way too many to delete one at a time situation, I do have a solution for you. It's called the Bookmarks Manager. And the easiest way to get to it really is to right-click on any bookmark and go down to Bookmark Manager. It's going to open up the manager where you can select multiple bookmarks at a time in order to get rid of them quickly. So I'm going to click on this first one here. Now I'm going to hold down my Control key and I can select as many as I want with the Control key held down, even ones that aren't contiguous. And now you see appear on my screen the delete button, and once I click it, goodbye bookmarks. If you love bookmarks and you want to have a lot of them, one of the things you can do is organize them into folders. Just right click on the bookmark bar and click add a folder, and it will ask you to name your folder. And now I have a folder that I can add bookmarks into. However, there is another feature in Chrome, and it's called grouped tabs. And I'm going to link a video right here for you to watch if you're interested. That allows you to save tabs as a member of a group, and then when you're done with that group, you can just get rid of the group. So you don't really have to use folders anymore in order to group your tabs in Chrome. Have a great day, and remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.